Here's the second series of explaining the Stingray 210 LR. It has a wraparound rear seat section. We've got a bucket seats on two bucket seats that spin around, and a very large locker in the floor for a wakeboard or a water ski. The wraparound seats and the rear sunpad are for comfort, and the extended swim platform that is not bolted onto the boat, it's made in and part of the boat, is the new design from Stingray boats. There is a basic integrated ski tow hook, and you could add a ski platform or a air bar to this boat very easily. The dashboard and the interior in the boat are ergonomically controlled. There is a tilt steering wheel. You get full instrumentation, the large locker in the floor, and this boat has a fiberglass floor option with a stereo. This is a great boat with speeds over 50 for water sports and steering and family fun.